In this video, I'll show you how to use Cash App with your Afterpay account step by step so you can pay for purchases over time directly through Cash App. First, open your Cash App on your phone and make sure you're on the home screen. You'll notice the $ icon highlighted at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it to access your account balance and money options. If you don't have any money in your Cash App balance, look for the bank icon instead, which will take you to the same section. Once you're in your account or money tab, scroll down until you reach a section called More for You. In this section, you'll see options like Borrow, but what we're looking for now is the Afterpay feature. It usually has the Afterpay logo, with arrows pointing left and right. Tap on Start to access the Afterpay options. Here, you'll see the details about paying over time with Afterpay and any requirements that need to be met for a transaction to be eligible. To use Afterpay with Cash App, you need to have made a recent purchase using your Cash App card, either the physical card or the one linked to your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. The purchase must be between $25 and $50 and fully processed within the last 30 days. If your purchase just happened today, it may take a day or two to appear in your Afterpay options. Once the transaction meets the requirements, tap on it and select Switch to Afterpay to split the payment into multiple installments. After switching, you'll see the transaction split into manageable payments, and you can continue to monitor them in your Cash App account. This makes it easier to manage larger purchases without affecting your cash flow immediately. You can repeat this process for other eligible transactions as they appear in your account. For added security when making payments and managing accounts like Cash App and Afterpay, it's a good idea to use NordVPN to protect your financial data online and keep your connection private. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free at a great price and ensure your transactions stay safe